Hello, everyone. My name is Wanda, aka Lala, and welcome to Healthy Eating. This is my first mukbang, you guys, so I'm hoping I'm doing it right. So I'm going to be doing my introduction. I'm going to learn how to put all my stuff together. So right now, let's get it in. Healthy people are we. Come on, say it again, y'all. Healthy people are we. So we doing a healthy mukbang, you guys. And today I have steamed cabbage that I steamed myself. Baked chicken, that is a little small thigh. So I wanted to do a healthy mukbang because everybody I know, they get it in, they overeat, okay? I like to overeat too, but I am diabetic. I have high blood pressure. I want to lose weight. I want to be healthy. I want to be able to eat all the right things. I love all my seafood and everything. Got some hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce. And I have some lemon juice that I'm going to pour on my chicken. So, like I said, I want to be healthy. You can be healthy and still do a mukbang. Shout out to Reasonable Reasonable Spoken. I got this idea from him because he was saying that it's okay to do mukbangs and it's okay to eat, but that overeating, and I felt the same way, all that overeating is not doing anything but hurting your body. You don't want to overeat. This is good. No salt. You don't want to overeat and mess around and have a heart attack or stroke. Because you're sitting up here using all this butter for sauce. When you can make yourself different from everybody else. You don't have to use a whole lot of butter. Not just with your sauces, with rice, mashed potatoes. All that butter is just a little too much. It clogs the artery, you guys. So, this is good. I also, too, have that water on deck. This is my first mukbang. My channel, please thumbs up. Hit like, chink-a-ling-a-ling. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how I'm doing. Like I say, this is my first. I'm going to try to get better because I have been watching some experts, you know. The steamed cabbage is good. Oh, man. It's really, really good. The baked chicken, too. Nice and tender. Look at that smoke coming off of that, see? Just came out the oven. Good job. So, I don't want to overeat. I'm glad you guys can join me. Give me some tips. Want to give some shout outs to Ryan and Miss B Love. Miss B Lovely. And Mel's here. And Miss C Corners. I haven't seen a video on her in a very long time. Also, too, my girl, Miss Tammy. Oh, Miss Country Bunker Tammy. She's a beautiful lady. I love her video. This is really good, y'all. It's after 12 o'clock, so this is my first meal. So after this, I have to take my insulin. So you guys, this is really, really good. I had a Dolly channel, a Reborn the Silicone channel, but it really didn't go nowhere. It didn't pick up. Didn't go anywhere too much. But from time to time, while I'm sitting and eating, I will show my babies while I'm eating. This is good, y'all. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. The vegetables is good for you. So, the best way to do your healthy meals is maybe drink you an 8-ounce glass of water before you eat, and then during while you eating, drink some water. Then after you eat, drink some water. Then you'll be full. That way you don't have to overeat. So, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm on my phone right now. I gotta learn how to do it on my computer. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am a big girl. Big girl. See this? I don't want to be like that anymore. I want to lose weight and I want to be healthy. Live longer. You know. So, this is really good. And you know what? I forgot to bring napkins to the table. What a shame. So good, I don't want to come up for air. Put a little bit more hot sauce on my chicken, because it don't got no salt on it. Gotta try to stay away from the salt. You know, just healthy eating. I don't know what I'm gonna eat tomorrow, but we'll figure it out. It'll probably be some more baked chicken, along with some mixed vegetables. Trying to stay away from the carbs, you guys. I love macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes and gravy, but finger looking good. No. But I often wonder what happens to people, you know, that do mukbangs and then they get sick for overeating. That's why I really want to bring a healthy channel. I don't want nobody to get sick, you know. So let's just do this together. I'm not saying you can't eat your food, but I'm going to eat mine. And I love seafood. I'm going to be doing a seafood mukbang too. You know. But in a healthy way. So once again, this is healthy. A healthy mukbang. Tune in to my healthy mukbang if you want to stay on that right track and live longer. Let's do it together. We can have good food on this channel. Look at that. It's almost over it. And I'm getting full. Ooh, y'all. This is delicious. Look at that. Wait something on my shirt. See, when you're big, you ever notice you're always dropping food on your clothes? Skinny people don't drop food on their clothes. Only we do. We're so big. But I'm gonna clean my plate, y'all. I don't know how to edit, but I'm gonna figure it out. This cabbage is so good. Look at that. You know what? I'm so sorry. I ain't asked y'all want a bite. See, I'm new to this. Okay, I tell you what. I'm going into my last little bite. How about I give it to you? There you go. Good, huh? Well, cleaning my plate. Bones. No pieces of meat left. I enjoyed y'all company. I enjoyed the company today. Once again, hit like, leave me a comment, ching-a-ling-a-ling, leave me a message, and let's get on that healthy kick, you guys. Don't forget, healthy people are we. Bye-bye.